Last time, I showed you how to make an LCD display that could be controlled by buttons. Now, let's do some upgrade. For the upgrade, I added this IR receiver. The leftmost pin is the signal pin, which is connected to pin number 10 in our Arduino. The pin at the middle is connected to the ground, and the rightmost pin is connected to the 5V supply. All materials and connections are just the same except for the IR receiver, which is our upgrade to be able to control it wirelessly with a remote. First, we will make use of this code to obtain the values that is given off by the remote. Now, we compile the code. After compiling the code, we upload it to the Arduino and use a serial monitor to obtain the values. The remote I use is a generic universal TV remote. Pressing the buttons of the remote will provide us with values which we would use later.
Cause we gon' light up this place. We got that business for days. Toki GA from the outer space. So cover and dock, you're out of luck, we don't give up. Yeah, we're going up, next floor is us, you're riding with us.
So these are the codes given by the remote. We will only use the 5-digit code since these are the ones associated to the up and down buttons of the remote. So basically, everything is just the same. I just added the library for our receiver to function. Then I declared pin 10 where the signal pin of the IR receiver is connected. And also, I declared the values that we obtained for the buttons. This code here starts our receiver, and every time a signal is being received, our built-in LED would light up. As you can see, this code is just the exact copy of the codes I used last time, but with an upgrade. In order for the receiver to obtain readings, this code is added, and after each reading, it will continue to receive signals. Since the function of the buttons and the remote are just the same, I just added a copy of the code and only changed the conditions. Therefore, when it is on the first page, it cannot go back to the last page, but from the last page, it can loop back to the first place, just like the one I did before. I added these last two lines of code for monitoring to ensure that everything is functioning right. Now that the code is finished, we will compile it and upload it to the device. After uploading, I usually use a battery as a power source. Now, let's see our final product.
Cause we gon' light up this place. We got that business for days. Toki GA from the outer space. So cover and dock, you're out of luck, we don't give up. Yeah, we're going up, next floor is us, you're riding with us.
In this setup, you can either use the remote or the button to control the text.
Stand up, come on, get loose with the heat.
So, this would be all for now. Thank you for watching.